I think we all can agree that we believe in this product and that it helps everybody. And now, how do we get the business aspect of it under control and have a system? And we're playing right now, you guys. It's not like we have a system that we're going through. We're just doing the best that we can to communicate with you guys, both via email, phone, Facebook, and video. Because for me, I see. That's how I learn, is I see. So this sending me an email and saying do this does not work for me. I want to see this on a video. I want to see step by step of what it is I'm supposed to do. And that's why this last email that we sent out, I want to say I sent it out like 3 days ago. Colin, attached to the email was an actual video of Colin doing the auto enrollment.
Processing the order.
Step by step. And some of you guys didn't see it. So that means that there needs to be better communication on our end. And I'm open to that. So what the purpose of this video is to let you guys know that, one, everybody that we have enrolled since May, you should already have your gel. And
or it should be on the way.
Or it should be on the way. If you have not received your gel, it is probably because you have not gone in and reordered your gel, because when you first enrolled and you ordered your gel, that's null, it's void, it's gone. So the email that New You Life sent out the beginning of August, the first Monday of August, the second and the third week of August, depending on when you enrolled, some of you guys did not see that. And that explained everything. So just so you know, if you have signed up anywhere from May, June, July, or even August, you should either have your gel or it should be on its way. And when I say
if you processed your order.
And when I say it should be on its way, it is because you have already gone in and you have processed your order. You have reprocessed your order. So
within the last couple of weeks.
Right. So and also you want to go in and you want to put your order on auto ship for the following month. That is so important. That is what that email that we sent out with Colin having that video was all about. It is so important for you guys and you to tell your team to get on auto ship.
And this is why. This bottle right here is designed to last 2 months. The first month you get it, for everybody that's got their gel this week and they're starting their dose, you have to do 2 blueberry-sized pumps in the morning, 2 blueberry-sized pumps in the night. That's double the dose you'll normally take once you get your blood levels of HGH up. That means this bottle is going to last 4 to 5 weeks. If you do not process your auto ship, you will run out of this gel, and everything, all the progress you've made will reverse. And the reason why we know that, we know it personally, and it took us twice as long to start feeling the results again once we came off of it and had to restart it. So we're telling you to do the auto ship. Even if you bought 4 bottles, guys, those 4 bottles are for you to give to a new team member, so they can get started on the gel right away.
Oh, it's not to give.
Or to sell to them.
It's to give them to borrow.
Sell to them or let them loan it, as long as I don't give anybody a bottle unless they've already registered and signed up on the team and they have an order on the way.
Did you get that?
Right?
Did you get that? You do not give anybody a bottle unless they've already signed up.
On your team, and they have an order processed and on the way.
Yes.
That way you know you're getting your bottle back, or you sell it to them. If they don't want to sign up, then you sell it to them for them to have at retail price of $169 and have them use the gel, and then once they get the results that they want to sign up, then fine. But do not give someone your bottle of gel unless they've signed up on your team as a customer or as a distributor, and they've had at least 2 bottles, so they have 1 coming back to you. Okay.
And another selling point, you guys, is you do not get the full benefits of this gel for 6 months. So one of the things I tell people, because I don't candy coat anything, I'm going to tell you like it is. If you are not going to, think of this as a supplement. You take a daily supplement every single day, right? So if you are not going to commit to 6 months, don't get on it.
Don't waste your money.
Don't waste your money. Don't waste my time. Don't waste your time. Don't.
Right.
So if your friend is saying, you know what, I'll try it for a month, say, never mind, it's not for you. and move on.
Yes.
And move on.
Yes.
Because in order to get the full benefits of what this gel can do, you really need to be on it for 6 months. And I'm talking to you now too. So if somewhere down the line the communication was broken up and you were like, well, I'm just gonna try it for a month. Don't. Get off. Contact us. We will sell your spot because it's gonna go like that.
Yeah, we'll sell your
We
spot.
will sell your spot.
We'll buy your bottle from you. You can walk away.
You can walk away.
Because bottom line is that this HGH, the way it works in the body, it compounds on each dose daily. The longer you use it, the more potent it becomes in your bloodstream, the better results get. If you don't use it consistently and daily and don't use it over months, you're not going to get the benefits. For those of you that are on our team that are looking for this major fat loss, this will produce aggressive fat loss from month 3, 4, 5, and 6. Month 2 and 3, month 1 through 3, you're getting the benefits of the better sleep, better recovery, better skin. You know, some people are getting their, starting to improve their eyesight. But the fat loss aspect of HGH starts to begin in month 3 and gets more aggressive every month thereafter. So for those of you looking for a quick fix, this is not for you.
This is not for you.
So we want to be straight with you guys. We want you guys to get the very best benefit of it. We want you to be able to build your teams with integrity and tell people exactly what they're going to experience. So the reason for this video is, number one, make sure you get the right dose. One thing we want to also tell you that if you're sensitive to this, depending on your age, right, the older you are or the more out
of
balance you are, the faster the results are going to be for you. The younger you are or the more imbalanced you are, the slower the results are going to be. So you can't compare your results to someone else, especially if their age gap is a huge age gap. My daughters and sons are not going to have the same results that I had in the same time frame because I'm a lot older than they are. So that's one thing you want to know about. Number two, the dose. If you get too much of this, if you're too sensitive to it, you may start feeling tired. So you may feel like, man, I'm feeling fatigued and tired. That means you're getting too much. That means you want to back off your dose. That's why it's 5 days on, 2 days off. The reason why I know the 2 days off is important, because one of my clients I talked to yesterday was feeling tired, but then he said, you know, now you mentioned the 2 days off, I would feel normal and feel great, and then the 5 days on, I feel tired again, because he was doing 2 full clumps twice, two full pumps twice a day. He was getting way too much of the gel. So that's one
Everybody's
point.
different.
Everyone's different.
You got to be in tune with your own body. You do.
Talk about alcohol.
So talk about alcohol. If you drink and you have or an occasional glass of wine or whatever, just know that the time you drink, you need to wait 3 hours before you apply your gel. 3 whole hours.
Alcohol degrades the human growth hormone in the body.
It slows it down, it stops it.
And so bottom line, if you're drinking and you have a lot of alcohol, if you have alcohol in your system, you apply the gel, it's going to block its absorption into the body. So preferably for best results, if you want to be a rock star results, good eating, good rest, good working out in the gym, sweating, whole 9 yards. That's going to get you the very best results. If you happen to have, to be a drinker, 3 hours after you've had cocktails. But if we tell people for the best results, try to avoid alcohol as much as possible. If you have to have an occasional drink, apply your gel at least 3 hours after that.
And those two, you can also look at it like this, you guys. For me, Monday through Friday, Monday through Friday, I really don't drink. And if I'm going to drink, it's because those are the 5 days I'm on. The 2 days I'm off is Saturday and Sunday. So that's a great time. Okay, it's Saturday and Sunday. I can have my cocktail.
Yeah.
I'm good with that.
Yeah.
But if you just need your cocktail, then you need to wait 3 hours after your last drink before you apply.
Apply the gel. All right. Otherwise, skip the dose and take it the next day. Don't waste it.
Right.
What else we want to share?
I hope these videos help you. I know they would help me. Again, I also did a video on when you get a new person and they're in your holding tank, what I do, the process that I take. And these videos are just meant to help you. If you guys are out there and you're like, you know what, Janie, there's an easier way, let me know. This is all new. This is a new adventure for myself. I can only speak for myself. I can't speak for Colin. It's a whole new adventure for me. And we are a team. There is no I in team. So if you have figured out something else that works more efficiently, more effectively, let me know. If you've generated an email that you send to your teammates and you think it really helps, Pass
Let us
it
know.
on. We are all here together. I wish that all of us could have a once a week in a conference room and throw things out. Well, this is what I did. Well, this is what I did. Well, this worked for me. That's what this is all about. Is having a product that you absolutely love, you know that works, you just want other people to feel good, and on top of it, you get paid to do it. So
For those of you that are business minded, so those of you
That's true.
those of you who are on this who just want to be customers, just use the gel, enjoy the process, and then please share with us the results you're having, so we can share those results with our teammates and,
Yes.
our new customers. For those of you guys who are business minded, we're going to have separate calls, separate videos for those of you guys who want to help you build your team. For those of you guys who just want to make an extra $3,000 a month, we're going to put together a plan to help you show you how you can do that relatively quickly and relatively easily. It's exciting times, guys. Because you're on our team, I'm sharing that. I mean, our check this week it's already close to almost $8,000. It's probably gonna be a little over that for the week. Last week was $4,000. I'm not telling you that to be impressive.
No.
I just want to impress upon you, we have never been this successful at this kind of venture either. The last business venture that we were in, or that I primarily did, I busted my ass just as hard as I busted my ass here, and the biggest check I ever saw was for I think $1,100 in a week, and that was the biggest check I ever saw. We've been doing this for 8 weeks, and our check is already at $8,000.
And I just want to say just one more thing. If you are like, you know what, I just want to try it. I don't want to go in the business aspect of it. Blah 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 blah. I get that. I respect that. I'm going to give you another analysis here. I get my nails done. I'm at the supermarket and I'm giving them my credit card or whatever, and they're like, oh my God, your nails are so cool. I'm like, thanks. You know what? I go down to Amy at Happy Nails. She's amazing. I love the way that she does my nails. What would that look like is every time that somebody went, oh, I'm gonna call Amy, that they got paid, that you got paid? What would that look like? Because I will guarantee you guys, if people who know you and they hear you complain, or they hear you speak words of encouragement or whatever, they know who you are. People who know who I am know I've had a hard time as far as sleeping and my health and recovery and all of that. So the minute that I got on the gel, the very first thing that I noticed was I'm sleeping so much better. I'm going, oh my God, I'm sleeping so much better. And they're going, why are you sleeping so much better? You know what? I just found this stuff, and it's the gel, it's HGH, and it's pretty amazing. Really? Let me see that. Well, I want to try that. And then I get paid.
That's how we built our team,
That's
guys.
how we built our
Just
team.
speaking about our results and how we were
Yes.
feeling, and the
Speaking your
results of
truth.
the teammates that got the gel before us. All we did was start sharing their stories and our story, and that's how we were able to build our team, and that's how we got the check we got. It's not hard, guys.
It's not a
you
sell.
gotta put your head down and just focus on telling
Your story.
Telling your story. That's it.
Just tell
With the
your
gel.
story.
All right, guys. We don't want it. It's already at 12 minutes. We want to cut it.
Sorry.
So we'll be back again with another video. Hope let us know. Give some feedback. Let some thumbs up, some hearts, some likes. Let you know if you like this video. What topics you want us to cover. I know we have some teammates that say they want to know how to do their back office, how to sign
Me
up
too.
people. You know, make sure you're in our group. Make sure if you're not in our Better You group or Gel Rockstars group, those two main groups you should absolutely be in, and of course our testimonials group. If you're not in those groups and you're seeing this video, please PM Jayne or myself so we can add you to those groups. And some of you guys aren't because you're not on Facebook, or we're
Right.
not friends on Facebook,
Right.
and that's the only way we can connect you. So it may be even worth it to create a Facebook profile just for this business, because you need to be able to be in the loop with all the training and all the tools and all the tricks that we have to help you guys grow your business and get powerful checks and feel great.
And if it's for administrative stuff, just know you're gonna get a call back from me. So PM me, Jayne Johnson Watson, and befriend me so I can get you in the groups, and just put gel. Hi Jayne, I need the gel groups or whatever, and
Right.
I will do it. Okay.
Right. And me for product information, how to sell, how to grow your business, PM me, and I'll be happy to help you guys as well.
We love you guys.
And we
Come
want you
on.